In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale a drawing in AutoCAD without changing the displayed dimensions by using dimension styles. Start by resizing your object normally with the scale command until it reaches the desired visual size. After scaling, the geometry changes size, but the original dimension values can still be maintained through a custom dimension style. To do this, open the Dimension Style Manager and create a new dimension style. Next, go to the Primary Units tab and locate the Scale Factor option. Here, calculate the correct factor by dividing the original dimension by the new scale dimension. For example, if the original length was 300 and the new length is 500, divide 300 by 500 to get a scale factor of 0.6. Enter this value into the scale factor field and save the style. Once applied, your dimensions will display the original measurements even though the object has been resized visually. This technique is extremely useful for presentation drawings, imported files, and layout adjustments where maintaining dimension accuracy is important. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting with AutoCAD.